In 2000, Shenzhen Runtianzhi Digital Equipment Company Limited was established in Shenzhen, who focuses on digital inkjet printing technology and equipment research and development, production, and sales. Runtianzhi is not only a famous national high-tech intelligent manufacturing enterprise, but one of the top companies in Shenzhen. Owns more than 400 patents, 200 honors. It has up to 500 staff, a more than 100-person R&D team, and more than 100,000 square meters of workspaces. Runtianzhi has mastered the core technology of digital inkjet printing through independent research and development, and has accumulated profound research and development and practical experience in material science, mechanical automation, software engineering, chemical engineering, physical engineering, cloud intelligent manufacturing, IoT, and other application fields. Now we mainly produce and offer large inkjet printing machines, such as advertising inkjet printers, textile digital printing machines, label digital printing machines, corrugated packaging digital printing machines, POD digital printing machines, widely applied in advertising, building materials, textiles, garments, labels, packaging, book printing, and other industries. After 23 years of development, Runtianzhi has built up located sales and service centers in more than 60 countries. With a strong digital platform based on core inkjet technology, we are building up the global supply chain system to offer digital printing solutions for different printing industries to make a difference and bring new opportunities for industrial transformation and reform. Eco-friendly production, efficient production for the printing files company.